In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple selection drop-downs in Google Sheets. Let's dive right in and make your spreadsheet tasks a little bit easier with this neat feature. Imagine you're working on a project and you need to select multiple options for various tasks or entries. Instead of creating separate lists or notes, you can streamline everything using drop-down menus that accommodate multiple selections. Start by opening your Google Sheet and selecting the specific cells where you want these drop-down menus to appear. You can click and drag to select a range of cells, or simply click on individual cells by holding down the Control key if you want non-contiguous selection. Once you've marked these cells, head to the menu bar at the top of your Google Sheets page. Here, you'll find a number of options, but what you need to do is click on Insert. This might sound straightforward, but choosing the correct function is vital to achieving your desired outcome. After clicking on Insert, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you need to find and click on Drop-down. By selecting this, you are setting the property for those pre-selected cells to include various options that the user can choose from. Once you click on Drop-down, a side panel will emerge on the right side of your screen. This is the panel where all the magic happens, where you can specifically edit and customize your drop-down options. Within this panel, you'll have a clear and intuitive interface to work with. You'll see options to add the different choices users should be able to select from. Enter these options one by one, ensuring they're exactly what you need. Now, all of this so far might feel familiar if you've worked with simple drop-downs before. However, here's where we make it suitable for multiple selections. You're going to look for the option that says Allow Multiple Selections and check that box. This is key. By ticking this option, you're enabling users to not just select one, but choose several entries from the drop-down menu, thereby enhancing the interactivity and flexibility of your sheets. And that's it. You've now successfully added drop-downs that allow for multiple selections in Google Sheets. You've turned a simple list into a versatile tool that can manage and display complex datasets efficiently. This feature is particularly helpful in collaborative environments or when handling multifaceted projects. Always remember, if you need to adjust the selections or add more choices later on, you can simply go back to this panel and make the necessary changes without having to start from scratch. With these steps, you've harnessed a powerful feature in Google Sheets that will greatly improve both your workflow and data management efficiency.